Hi guys, this is Robert Madoro from Billion Mountain Forex Group. So today I'm going to be focusing on GBP, Euro GBP. So let me try to analyze this so that you guys can see what we are looking this week. So Euro GBP is one of the pair that we are looking to trade this week if the setup presents itself. So as you all know, we are long-term traders, swing traders. So we like to trade in the long term. I remember 2 months ago, I shared this pair again when it was down here. And I still remember what I said. I said this pair is going to go up first, then go down. And I was expecting this pair, it's either it was going to turn this range or the second range, this one, which it did. So as I said, we're looking for this pair to come on this range first. If it fails to turn here, it was supposed to come here. Then from this position, this pair should go down. So this is a recap of that same analysis that I gave 2 months ago, 3 months ago. So from what I'm looking here, on day chart. So as you can see, let me start with the week chart. If you see this pair where it is, for us we say we are on the second leg. Those who know how to use the market maker method. So we have a second leg on 1 week chart. Okay. So this pair should move like this, in this direction. So what I'm going to share, I'm going to break down. This is what I'm seeing on week chart. Let me also go and share what I'm seeing on day chart on that same pair. As you can all see, we are still on this zone. So if this pair now, let me do this, what I see on day chart. Right. As you can see from us, we are on the second leg on weekly chart, and we are also on the second leg on day chart. So on this pair, what we are looking for is, if this pair fail to break this high, it means this pair is going to go down. So for you to confirm that we are now going down, this pair should come and break this H4. So the day chart, let me change the color so that you see the difference. If this pair comes down and break this low, it will come and touch the 200 EMA. Once it touches the 200 EMA, this pair should come and retest the zone. So once it retests this zone now, it's a confirmation that this pair is now going down like this. So our target will be something like 730 pips. The first target to be 730 pips. So for you guys, as you can see, we are still waiting. No one entered this trade yet, but I know some can enter it once it confirms on the second leg. Yes, it's good. You can enter exactly on the second leg, but entering on the second leg, there is a disadvantage. If the market maker decides to consolidate or come and hit stops one more time, then they go. They will hit your stop, then they go. So for you to enter a nice trade, wait for them to break this low. Once it breaks this low, they touch the 200 EMA and they come and they hit the same zone. And they show a reversal sign on H4 chart. It's a confirmation that the pay is now going. If you are looking at on day chart, so now let me go to H4 chart so that we can also see. From what I see, the zone is still the same zone. On the H4 chart, we also have second leg of M formation. So on week chart, we have M formation. On day chart, we have M formation. On H4 again, as you can see, we also have the M formation. So I know some of you may have entered already, but for me, I'm still waiting to see where this pair will go. So if I'm expecting this pair should go down, it should come and break this low for me. Once it breaks this low and comes back and retests the same low, it's a confirmation for me that the pay is now going. That's where I'll enter my trade. As of now, I'm still waiting, because remember, it's worth it. You wait for the trade to come to you. Wait for the trade to come to you, then you trade from what you see. If they don't do that, I will not enter a trade. I'll be waiting. So we have two scenarios in this pair. As you anticipate, on H4, on weekly chart, there is an M. Day chart, there is an M. On H4, there is also an M. If I go down to H1, you can also see, right, as I was explaining, if you entered at the second leg, there is a disadvantage. Why? Because imagine someone who entered the trade somewhere here, and these guys, they decided to come and hit the stops one more time. This is the disadvantage of entering exact on the second leg. You can see, should wait for them to break this low, they come and retest, then they go. So they were collecting more orders there. So let me show you another scenario which can happen on this pair. If this pair fails, or if it fails to break this low, and they comes back down and breaks this low, then they come for a retest. I'm looking for a sell. But if they break this low, what I'll be looking is this. They go higher, and then they come and retest this area, validating this zone. It means the pair is still going down. But as of now, we are still waiting to see what will happen. So this is what we see, guys. So you should also learn to be patient, to wait. I remember those who entered the trade when I said this trade is going up 3 months ago. When I said this trade is going up, say that this zone, if it breaks, they are coming to this zone. As you can see, they've broken this zone, and now they are on the second zone. So now what I'm waiting to see, if they break, I will let them go first. When they retest and validate this zone, then I'll enter a buy. But from what I think, I don't know, let's wait and see what they will do. If they fail to break that zone, they will do this. Then they go down. So let's just wait. If you are a swing trader, you need to be patient, guys, because it takes time for these kind of setups to come. So all you have to do now is being patient and wait for the trade to come to you. Then you trade what you see, not what you believe. Trade what you see. So we have two scenarios there. So this is our pair that we are looking for. We are going to keep an eye on this pair for this week. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends so that they can also take advantage of this. And also tell your friends we are doing free lessons on Forex basics. So you can also share with them the link if you don't know the link, or if you don't know the Zoom meeting ID, just text my number or just write on the comment section on our YouTube channel. There's a comment section there. Just ask for the Zoom meeting or the contact where I'll add you to the group for those that are having free lessons. So every week we are going to be sharing what we see, what we think, so that you benefit from what we are going to do, from how we trade and so forth. Thank you guys. Keep watching, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining.